Okay, welcome back. Gorilla Men's Garage. We're in the backyard now, and we have the Fimi X8 Mini version 2. Put it all back together, cleaned out the lens, did a gimbal calibration. It doesn't ask for a compass. I'm not really too worried about that. I just want to get it up to see if the gimbal holds and if it even flies. Okay, we did start up the motors, and we're going to see what happens. Okay, it's cold. It's about probably 3 degrees, 4 degrees. It's a little chilly. So let's get this up, let's see what happens. If there's jello, focus issues, mistiness, cloudiness, darkness, let's see what happens, okay? I have no idea. Let's push the button. Let's see what happens, okay? Let's see if we can get the blades running. Here we go. They're running and nothing's hitting. Okay, I was worried that that back propeller would hit the arm, but it doesn't. Okay, let's stop that. Yep, it stops by itself if you don't take off. Okay, so let's try this one then. Here we go. Boom. There it goes. And it's up at 2 meters. Okay. It's supposed to be 3 meters. But anyway, let's turn it around. Okay, let's start that video. There we go. We're down here. Let's put it up in the air a little bit. There it is. Okay. A little bit of wind, so we're going to go up a bit. Okay. We're up about 18 meters or so. We're up to 30 meters. We're above the canopy now. Over by the lake. There we go. Now we're going to check how is that yaw. Okay, how is the yaw? How does that look? How's the focus look? And the coloring shouldn't be too bad. And it's it's really overcast, cloudy overcast. So let's see what that looks like. So we're not going to go too far, and if it falls, I want to be able to get it. So we're going to go that way. How's our 58%? Okay. A little windy up there. You can see that by that image in the bottom. Okay. Can we go to, dare we go to 100 meters? Let's go to 100 meters and come back. Okay, I'm going to turn around, come back. Yeah, heavy winds. Heavy winds are not that good. There we go. And it's coming back. There it comes. Yeah, back and forth, pretty good. Okay, if I head it out. No, I want to go the other way. That way. Okay, bring that down a bit. There we go. That looks a lot better. Can we go up a bit? There we go. We're just looking at that. A little higher. Better bring it down because of the wind. Let's bring it down. So it's doing pretty good. I'm impressed. Yeah, some pretty strong winds up there. There we go. There we go. Okay, yeah, so some pretty strong winds. There we go, pretty strong. There we go. So let's bring it in a little closer. See if we can come in a little closer here. It's fairly windy here. It's hard to, the Fimi is a little hard to manipulate when there is a bit of a breeze here, so. How's that leg looking? And it's a little breezy, not bad. That's just, and this is Fimi. It's not a Hubsan, it's not a DJI. Let's get in there and get it closed down. Let's stop that video. And we'll come on down. There we go. And I'm kind of happy with it. What the heck, eh? So let's look at the video. And I'll put a little comment at the end. 2 thumbs up, 3 thumbs up, 1 thumb up, thumb down, whatever. Okay, and we'll see what it's like. Okay, in the meantime, wrap up. It's cold, okay? And don't forget, hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell if you're so inclined. Buy me a coffee. Okay, repair, disassembly, reassembly. Works pretty good. I'm happy. Okay, see you next time. Bye now.